This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the workflow file and duplicating it immediately, so you have a safe fallback. Open the Automator document and enable logging or the console output to observe repeated steps. This shows which action triggers the loop. Once done, pause the workflow with the Stop button or disable Run in the menu bar to prevent further cycles while you edit. Make sure to note the exact action names and any input variables so you can target the fix precisely. You now isolate the loop by disabling a single action and testing the workflow. This narrows down the culprit. If an action repeatedly produces the same output, inspect the input and output types. Mismatched types often retrigger loops. Once identified, replace a repeating action with a conditional step, a filter, or add a delay so loops break cleanly. Keep testing after each change, and use clear input checks so the workflow exits when expected rather than cycling indefinitely. Finish by running comprehensive tests that include normal and edge case inputs to confirm the loop is gone. You should run the workflow both manually and via the original trigger so external schedulers or calendars don't reintroduce the loop. Once satisfied, overwrite the original or keep the fixed duplicate with version notes. If things go wrong, check file permissions, upstream triggers, and whether external scripts are re-invoking the workflow. Adjusting those often resolves stubborn repeat behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.